Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dera Ugoh. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I make lifestyle videos and vlogs and crochet tutorials. So today's video is a crochet tutorial on how to make the half double crochet and the double crochet stitch. I'm using UK terminology, so you can look up the US terms for these stitches. These are the basic stitches in crochet, and I already made a video on how to hold your hook, how to hold your yarn, how to make the single crochet stitch, and this video is on half double crochet and double crochet stitches, as I already mentioned. So some materials you'll be needing are a 3.5mm crochet hook. That's it. It's not focusing. Well, just know that it's a 3.5mm hook. So you can use any hook of your choice, but this is the hook I prefer to use. Then you need a ball of yarn. I use 100% acrylic yarn. It is 40 grams and it's regular size. So I think under classification this might be a lightweight yarn. So I usually take 2 strands of the yarn. So let me just pop that out. I would take the strand that goes around the ball and then the one that comes out from inside the ball, and I take them and use them as one strand to kind of make it little weightier, because one strand is very light, so I use 2 strands. Okay, so yeah, you can use any color of yarn that you want to try and learn these stitches. In this video I was using the color lilac, but for my intro I'm holding this color. I think it's in champagne, so you can get any yarn that you like. I would leave a link in the description of where you can get yarn and hooks here in Nigeria or abroad. So I sell yarn and hooks, crochet yarn and hooks. You can use the yarn for knitting as well. So let's get into the video. So we'll begin with the half double crochet stitch. First, make a slip knot. I've already explained how to do this in the previous video, so go check that out. Then chain 15, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Continue on until you've made 15 stitches. And for a half double crochet, you chain 2 extra stitches because you'll be inserting your hook in the 3rd chain from the hook. So in order to keep your stitch count at 15, you need to chain 2 more, which will make your chains, total number of chains, 17. So you count 1, 2, and then yarn over, insert your hook in the 3rd chain from the hook, yarn over again, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. That's your first half double crochet. To do the second one, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's how to do your half double crochet stitch. Then you just continue till the end.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time, it's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime.
And there it is, 2 rows of half double crochet completed. Now let's do the double crochet stitch. I'm just going to unravel the half double crochets. Start with a slip knot as usual. Insert your hook in the slip knot and chain 15. Now you can make your chain as long or as short as you want. Chain 15 is just a sample piece, like I'm just trying to show you how to do the stitches. You can make it as long as you want or as short as you want. So just chain up 15. Then the next thing to do is to chain 3 extra stitches. For the half double crochet we chained 2 extra stitches, but for the double crochet we chained 3 extra stitches. So from 15 stitches it will be 18 stitches. Then you would have to insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook. So you skip those 3 stitches you just made and insert your hook after yarning over into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's how to do the double crochet stitch. Continue on till the end of the row. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's your second double crochet. First row complete. Now for the second row, you would chain 3 for turning. 1, 2, 3. Then turn your work. Yarn over. Insert your hook in the second stitch from the chain. Then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops left, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's how to double crochet. Continue with the pattern till the end of the row and I'll meet you back. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you practice and leave comments, send me pictures of your work, subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.